What's up guys, Trail here, better known as Budget Bill, and today I got something in the mail and I wanted to share it with you. Yes, just received the new Apple credit card and we're going to be doing an unboxing video starting right now. What's up guys, so we have the envelope right here and I wanted to share the unboxing with you so you can see it first hand. Just came in from FedEx. Usually when you order the credit card, it takes about a couple of days for you to receive it because they send it FedEx Express. Comes in this little cardboard little pouch here. And so, woo! Look at that. Man, that is nice. Apple, 1 Apple Park Way, Cupertino, California, 95014. Can you guys see that? Apple logo. Woo! Look at that white crystal credit card. This is super exciting right here. There it is right there. It says activate your card, wake iPhone and hold here. So let's go ahead and see. Activate phone, and then we want to hold the iPhone. Uh-oh. Do I have a defective card? Let's see. Holding it right there. Something's not working. You guys are seeing this live. Alrighty, Apple. Don't fail me now. Let's just pull up the wallet app. Interesting. So basically Apple has sent me a defective card that will not activate. We'll try this way, but apparently I'm having some issues with my phone reading through to the NFC chip within this packaging. So we're going to open up the wallet app manually, and then right here it says activate your card. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're gonna have to do it manually. So activate the card. Now it says hold this phone near the packaging that came with the card. So as I put it next to it, it actually worked at that point. So we're gonna go ahead and click on activate your card, and card is ready. Use your card everywhere MasterCard is accepted and get 1% daily cash. You can see transaction details and make payments in your wallet. All right, we're done here. Click on done. Card is now activated. Let's check this card out. It's feels different. Feels different from my normal credit cards. I will say, seems like it doesn't want to bend. It's pretty sturdy. I'm not sure if this is any different from my my Chase Reserve card, but definitely hard to bend. Let's try with my Chase Reserve card. Oh yeah. Chase Reserve is definitely bending with no issues. Let's see what it sounds like. Hear that? Huh. Much different from Chase Reserve card. So let's see what the difference is as far as weight goes in comparison to the Apple credit card and my Chase Sapphire Reserve card. So if you look on the screen, the Apple card weighs about 0.55 ounces. And the Sapphire Chase Reserve credit card, which is metal, weighs about 0.4 ounces. So definitely the titanium card is definitely a little bit heavier. I will say this card feels so much smoother, and I think it's because there's just no numbers on it. And it's just a different material. I'm not exactly sure how this white card will hold up over time, you know, being in your wallet and collecting dust and using it on a daily basis. But it's definitely a nice finish, guys, with the personal engraving of the Apple logo. And looks like the name is printed on the actual card, and then you have the chip right there. So that's pretty much the unboxing of the credit card, and you know, definitely excited to get it, actually the physical card in my hand. So now that I can start using it in other places outside of merchants that have the Apple Pay feature. So definitely going to be excited about using this over the next week, and I'll definitely come back and let you know how it's been and using this card. And definitely exciting to have. I know a lot of people out there, as I mentioned yesterday, Apple released the Apple credit card open to anyone that wants to apply that actually has an iPhone. So I know a lot of people out there are definitely putting in their applications to get their hands on one of these babies. So, but yeah, that's it of the unboxing part. And I just wanted to reiterate a few things about this credit card, and just to update you guys on it. With this card, you know that you get the 3% cash back when you spend at the Apple Store or online at apple.com. And that also includes anything that you buy on iTunes or in the App Store, or actually just paying for your iCloud storage to back up your phone. And also any type of software or services that Apple may sell. And in addition, as far as yesterday, Apple also announced that they're going to allow you to receive 3% cash back when you use your Apple credit card on Uber or Uber Eats. In addition, you can receive 2% cash back by using the Apple Pay feature wherever it is accepted, which one of my favorite stores that accepts Apple Pay is CVS pharmacy store, because they sell, and I like to purchase, the Visa gift cards. And you receive 1% on everywhere else that you use your credit card. The good thing about the cash back is that you receive cash back on a daily basis. So if you use your Apple credit card today, you'll actually see the cash back show up tomorrow in your Apple Cash app. So it's basically real time that you can receive your cash back, unlike other credit cards in which you receive your cash back after 30 days or so. Now, the bad thing about this Apple credit card is that Android lovers or people that have Android phones won't be able to get one, and that totally sucks. Typically, people can't get credit cards because of their credit history, not because they don't have a certain phone. That's insane. But as we all know, Apple is not afraid to change things up a bit. Remember that notch on the latest iPhone that's currently out right now? Yes, everyone complains so much about it, including myself. And now you see all other phones or various phones out there, they actually have that same notch or something similar to their new phone. Now, over the next few days, as I get more familiar with using this card and making my first payments, I'm sure I will learn a whole lot more. So just stay tuned for any updates that I might upload and let you guys know about it. Which means if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, here's your opportunity to go ahead and follow right now. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button down below. And at this point, I hope I have earned a thumbs up from you on this video. Click on the like button down below. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.